Hello friends, welcome to this channel CAD Master. I am Atish Bhavankar and in this video I'll explain you how to install PTC Creo 7.0. You may also install the lower version like PTC Creo 6.0, 5.0, 4.0 with the same process. For this, the basic requirement for laptop or desktop is 64-bit operating system with Windows 8, Windows 7 or Windows 10. So let's see how to install PTC Creo. Google search, type PTC student. So it will open the number of links. So here search the www.ptc.com. Here you will find the free software. So click on this link. It will open the PTC website. Before proceed ahead, just check the installation and system requirement. If your system match with this configurations, then you can go ahead. So here you have to just fill the little bit informations to proceed further. I used to fill my information. Select the country. Under what best describe you, you will find the number of options. If you are a student or the educator, you can choose the best fit. I used to choose university student. So here mention your contact details. Once you fill all the details, then say submit. You will get this page. Thank you for registering for Creo. Here the latest version is Creo 7.0. If you wish to download this, then click here. You also may download the other version of Creo. If your system is not compatible, then you can download the lower version as well. I used to select the 7.0 version. Now next, it will open the PDF of quick installation guide. In this guide, you will get the complete informations how you can install the Creo 7.0 student edition. So here I'll just a little bit explain you. The first step, you have to download the 7.0 version of PTC Creo from the mentioned link here. For this, we have to log in with the PTC account. Second point mention, if you have already installed the previous version of Creo, then you must have to uninstall the previous version. If you don't know where the file is located of previous version, then you just have to select the C program data, PTC and licensing. You just have to copy this link and paste it to your browser. So here in my machines there is no previous version is available. So it show you the message. If you find the previous version in your machine, just delete the previous licensing before starting the Creo 7.0 installation. In the fourth point, you will see the product code. Here you will find the product code. So this will be required while we install the software. So first of all, we'll click on the download link. Once you click, it will open the export agreement page. So here you will find the terms and agreement conditions with the different languages. I used to choose English language and click here to agree with the export terms. Now say continue. Once continue, you will find the PTC Academic Program free download page. Here you will find the Creo 7.0 as well as the lower version. I used to download the Creo 7.0. You will also get the informations about the space required for this software. So select the HTTPS. It will start download the software. So it takes a little bit of time to download this. Once you download this file, copy this file in any one of the folder and then right click on it and say extract here. If you are unable to download this file from the PTC server, then don't worry. I already share this file under the description. Once it extracts all the file, you will find the setup icon. Just right click on it and say run as administrator. So you will find this welcome to PTC installation assistance menu. Here just select the install new software and say next. Say I accept the software license agreement and click here. To agree with the export agreement. Say next. Now here we have to fill the product code. So this product code you will get it under the PDF. You have to copy that product code from this PDF. You will see the fourth number point. Under this you will find the product code. So this will be our product code. I'll just copy this product code and paste it here and say install licensing. So it will ask the username and password. Here you have to fill the email address and the password. So you will notice that it is under process. Once process complete, you will find the success message here. Say next. Here you can choose the licensing required. I don't want simulation, so I used to remove this. So it will save our time for the installation. and say next. Here it will show the under Creo parametric what are the number of options available. So I choose the Creo parametric here and say install. So you have to wait to complete all the installation process till 100%. So I'll explain you the next step once this finish. Once you finish with the installations, you will find the Creo Parametric 7.0 icon on your desktop screen. You will also find the other applications related with Creo. So you can open the Creo Parametric by just double click on this icon or go to start, and here you will find the Creo Parametric 7.0. So you just have to click on it. So friends, I hope you got the complete process. If you have any query, then please comment me. I'll reach you as soon as possible. And do not forget to like this video. And please subscribe the channel if you haven't subscribed it. Thank you.